Right now.
Yeah, and just go. Wait, no. Oh, that was not unexpected. Welcome to my chicken tour. Welcome to my chicken tour. Look inside there. Oh. So that's my daily chicken tour.
Just try it. Just eat it.
You no.
The other one.
The other one? No. Okay, let's go to Spoicy. What was that? I'm scared. Okay, here he is. Don't put your fingers in there. You'll lose it and you have to bury it. Okay, goodbye. You go in front of me. So dark. No, run. 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 Right there. Oh. You want to touch it?
No.
Okay, that's how you die. I built it. Okay, you have to kind of believe in that you're sending off. Okay, let's go. Every night.
The trash? Where you belong?
No.
Oh.
No. This is my home right here. Yeah, this is my home.
The trash?
That's not trash, that's my home. New home, I'm building it. I actually have already built it. It's right there. And my bedroom's right there. Yeah, so that's where we're moving in. Hope y'all guys like it.
We probably should wrap this up.
No. And then see y'all in the next episode. Bye.